Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got the big game coming up. Who are you rooting for? Well, my team's not in it, so I'm not going to root for anybody. I'm just going to watch. Okay? But what we're going to do is 2 sliders, one from each team. Kansas City, BBQ Pork Sliders. Philadelphia, Philly Cheesesteak Sliders. So stick around. We're making sliders. Super simple, super easy for your big game enjoyment, your party, whatever you got going on. Buzz Cooks. Sliders coming next. All right, let's get started with the big game sliders. Big game coming up soon. We're going to do the Kansas City BBQ Pork Sliders first. I've got a 2.5 pound bone-in pork shoulder. I've got Better Than Bouillon ham base that I'm going to slather all over this pork, both sides. Then I'm going to also get my barbecue rub. Killer Hog is what I like to use. And I'm going to coat both sides with that as well. Then I'm going to take a aluminum pan, set the pork in there, cover tightly with foil. I love these aluminum pans because I don't have to wash them. So we got this tightly covered in foil. We're going to put it in the oven at 280 for 3 hours. And then after 3 hours, we'll pull it out. And the best test to see if it's done is to grab some tongs. And if you can pull that bone out and it's clean, you know it's tender. Just like that. Perfect. All right, now we need to shred this. You can either use 2 forks to do it the old-fashioned way, or if you have a stand mixer or KitchenAid, use that. It's a lot easier and takes seconds. So we're going to take our KitchenAid, set it down on the counter, put our pork right in the bowl. We're going to attach the paddle to the KitchenAid. And we're going to let it run for maybe 20 seconds or so. Add a little bit of barbecue sauce. And you'll see how quick this shreds the pork. Super simple, perfect every time. There we go. Look at that. That's perfect. All right, now we'll set that pork to the side. And I've got brioche slider buns that I've already cut in half. I've got some red onion that I sliced nice and thin using my mandolin. So we're going to layer down the onion first. And then we'll come back with some dill pickle slices. Make sure each slider gets 1 pickle. And we'll start to spread out our barbecue pork. Make sure you get it covered nice and even so each slider has the same amount of pork if possible. And then we'll put the tops back on. We'll get our long knife out and cut these up into individual sliders. And there you have it, the Kansas City BBQ Pork Sliders. Ready for the big game? Now we'll move on to the Philadelphia cheesesteak sliders next. Okay, so what we're gonna need, one green bell pepper. We're gonna slice down the sides and then cut those into julienne slices. Once we have all those cut up, we'll put those aside. Next, we're gonna need a white or yellow onion. I'm gonna use my mandolin again to get nice thin slices. Make sure you always use that guard because this is a very dangerous tool. And we'll take those onions, put them in a bowl, and we'll set those aside with the peppers until we need them. Next, I'm going to break out my Cuisinart slow cooker. It has the option to saute, and I really like it because it doesn't make a mess and splatter. It has those high sides. If you don't have one of these, you have to use a frying pan. Turn the heat up, and we'll start to saute the onions. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in this Cuisinart. It really is a great tool. Anyways, so we're going to salt and pepper the onions, and also hit it with a little bit of granulated garlic. There we go. And we'll cook these onions for a few more minutes. And then we're going to add our peppers. And once we get the peppers in there, we'll let that go for about another 4 or 5 minutes. And once the peppers are done, we'll scoop all this out, put it into a bowl, and set that aside until it's time to assemble our sliders. Next, we're going to cook our meat. I've got one package of shaved prime rib. It's about 14 ounces, super thin cut. If you can't find shaved beef, you can go to your deli and have your deli slice roast beef as thin as they can for you. That'll also work. And because this meat is so thin, it's going to cook pretty quick. So we'll brown it up. And once the meat is done, we'll also take that out of the Cuisinart and put that in a bowl. And then we'll start to assemble these Philadelphia cheesesteak sliders. I'm using, for this one, Hawaiian slider rolls. Just to break it up a bit because we've got the brioche for the Kansas City. I didn't want to use the same rolls for both. So we're going to start off by putting down a layer of provolone cheese. And then we're going to come back with our meat and we're going to spread that out as evenly as possible. And once we get the meat down, we'll come back with the, oh, I forgot, a little salt and pepper. Then we come back with the onions and bell peppers. Spread those out as evenly as we can. And then we'll come back with another round of provolone on top. And once we get the provolone on top, we'll put the lids back on. Cover this with foil. I got my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we'll put this in the oven for about 15 minutes until that provolone is melted and is nice and gooey. Then we'll slice them up and it's time to serve the Philly cheesesteak sliders. So we've got your Kansas City BBQ sliders, we got your Philly cheesesteak sliders. You are all set for the big game. I hope you enjoy it. I hope whoever you're rooting for wins.
I appreciate you all very much. And I remember to tell your friends and family all about us. Hit that like button, hit that bell to stay up to date, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.